Hello everyone. I am Assistant Professor Ramandeep Kaur from School of Agriculture Science and Technology in Remote University. Today the topic of my presentation is weather forecasting. First of all, weather forecasting. Weather forecasting is the application of science and technology to predict the state of the atmosphere for a given location, means any advance information about the probable weather in future which is obtained by evaluating the present and past meteorological condition of the atmosphere is called weather forecast. Secondly, agriculture weather forecast. Forecasting of weather element like sunshine hour, occurrence of dew, relative humidity, rainfall, temperature, wind speed, cloud conditions, etc., which are important in agriculture forecast. The man who invented weather forecast was Admiral Robert Fitozzi, 1860. The father of weather forecasting, Jobs Henry. The first ever Delhi weather forecasts were published in Time on August 1, 1861. IMD Indian Meteorological Department was stabilized in 1875, headquartered at Delhi. History of weather forecasting. In 1650 BC, the Babylonians predict weather from cloud pattern. In 3050 BC, Aristotle described the weather pattern in meteorological book. Theophrastus compiled a book on weather forecasting called the Book of Signs. In 1835, modern age of weather forecasting began. The world first televised weather forecast broadcast by BBC in 1936. Procedures of weather forecasting. Recording of weather data, for example, temperature, pressure, wind, speed and direction, cloud form, humidity and precipitation, visibility, cloud conditions, storms, thunderstorms, etc. Collections of weather data from the weather recording observations center stations scattered world over, including both land, ocean, surface. Transmissions of weather data collected from major weather stations to sub-centers, compilation of weather data, plotting of the weather data on map and daily weather record, synoptic charts, etc., analysis of weather chart and map with the help of electronic computers, etc., final forecasting of weather and numerical modeling. Types of weather forecasting. On the base of duration of availability of forecast into four types. First is nowcasting, second is short range forecasting, third is medium range forecast, fourth is long range forecast. Nowcasting is the issue for less than 12 hours. It closely related to local weather phenomena like thunderstorm, dust storm, cyclone, cold and heat waves and all weather conditions. Nowcasting is also useful for the outdoor function. Second is short range weather forecast. Most useful prediction of weather wherein forecast valid for few hours to 48 hours and sometimes 72 hours. Based on map weather chart, satellite image determine change of atmospheric weather of a specific locations, help in irrigation, sowing, harvesting, fertilizer and weedicide application, transportation and fishermen. It help in the agronomic agriculture practices. Medium range weather forecast. Third is medium range weather forecast. It covers the time span of 3 to 4 days to 2-3 weeks. This prediction is helpful for farmer. This prediction is done by calculating the average of past and present weather condition useful or for the long day road or ocean transportation. Long range weather forecast. It covers a time span from fortnight 15 days to a season of the year. These are basically statement exact accuracy in minimum, not so detailed information, useful for the choosing of cropping pattern, classifications of crop based on the seasonal long range weather forecast. For example, Kharif season, plantation in June and harvest in October. For example, rice, cotton, maize, groundnut. And second is Jid. For plantation is October and harvest is November. For example, groundnut. For third is Rabi crops, plantation in November and harvesting in April. For example, wheat crop, grams, peas. Methods of forecasting. The technique in use can be divided into three categories: synoptic method, statistical method, numerical weather prediction method. First is synoptic method. It involves detailed analysis of current weather report from large area. The current weather pattern are related with the past analog situations, and forecasts are prepared on the assumptions that current situation will behave on the line of the past analog situations. This method is useful for short range forecast. Synoptic methods. Features of a synoptic chart: weather system, isobar, the line joining place of equal pressure. The associated weather is: the closer the isobar are, the strongest the wind. High pressure system, area of sinking air, generally fine weather. Wind rotate around this system in a anti-clockwise direction. Third is low pressure system, area of rising air, generally cloudy weather and a good chance of rain. Wind rotate around the system in a clockwise direction. Fourth is tropical cyclone, area of rapidly rising air, tornadoes, rain, very strong and destructive wind in a clockwise direction. Give a name, for example, tropical cyclone. And fifth is cold front. Cold front separate the warm and cold air with the cold air behind the front. Fall in temperature may larging rain and storm front move in the direction of the anti-clockwise. Warm front separate the warm and cold air with the warm air behind the front. Increase in temperature may bring light shower. And statistical method. Third is statistical method. Regression occasion or other relationship are stabilized between different weather element and the resulting climate. Normally, selection of prediction or weather parameter is based on a possible physical relationship with the prediction. This technique are useful for short as well as for long range forecasting. Multiple regression occasion is developed to predict annual rainfall based on 16 parameter by IMD. The 16 parameter like weather temperature, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, dry bulb, wet bulb, wind velocity, wind speed, relative humidity, etc. Numerical method. In this technique, the behavior of the atmosphere is represented by set of equations based on the physical law governing air movement, air pressure and other information. This technique is found suitable for medium range forecast. Other forecasting method. Persistent forecast, using current state to predict the future, not bad for the Tucson in June, and trend forecast assuming constant change range. Analog method, search for similar chart in history. Statistical forecast, routine use, model output, statics correct, non-model error. Probability forecast, particularly for the precipitation. Climatological forecast, using climatology to predict the future, good for the Tucson rainfall in June. Instrument used for the forecasting. Barometer measure the air pressure. Anemometer measure the wind speed. Radar detect the rainfall. Clouds rain gauge measure the rainfall at the 8:30 a.m. and weather balloons take instrument to the height. Thermometers maximum minimum temperature record the highest temperature of the 24-hour and minimum temperature record the lowest temperature of the 24 hours. And dry and wet bulb temperature thermometers record the relative humidity in the air present in the air. Hygrometer measure the relative humidity. Satellite space image. Prinometers measure the solar radiation. Sequencing screen protect the instrument like maximum thermometer, minimum thermometer, dry bulb and wet bulb thermometers. It protect the direct sun radiations, and double sequencing screen protect the thermometers like maximum thermometer, minimum thermometer, dry bulb and wet bulb. And thermohygrograph. The thermohygrograph measure the temperature of the 24-hour and relative humidity measure the 24 hours. Pan vaporimeter measure the evaporation. This odometer measure the rain drops. Importance of forecasting. The forecast of the weather event help for suitable planning of farm. It help in to undertake or withhold the sowing operation. It help in following farm operations like to irrigate the crop or not, when to apply fertilizer or not, whether to start complete harvesting or to hold it, when to apply herbicide or not. It also help in to take measure to fight frost. It help in transportation and storage of food grain, help in management of cultural operation like plowing, harrowing, hoeing and agronomical practices. It help in measure to protect livestock, other severe weather alert, air traffic, marine and military operations. Agro advisory based on the weather forecast. The synopsis is discussed with the subject matter specialist in various agriculture disciplines, for example, agronomy, plant pathology, entomology, vegetable science, horticulture science, and agrometeorology and entomology, etc. Based on the weather synopsis for next 2 to 3 days, the recommendation of the concerned specialist are compiled, and finally summary of the weather and crop outlook is prepared for dissemination to various agencies. Partly cloud weather is likely to prevail over Punjab, and there are chance of isolated thunderstorm during the next 2 days. Farmers are advised to drain out excess water from the field crop which are highly sensitive to water. Kill the weed on water channel and field burn by spraying glyphosate. Remove of type plant from the paddy crop. The various agencies for dissemination of the agro advisory include televisions, radio, newspapers, telephones. The television, the weather forecast and agro advisory are broadcast from TV center in the Delhi regional news bulletin and a program designed for the benefit of the farmer. Such program include Mera Pind Mera Khet, broadcast from TV center Jalandhar. Newspaper, the summary on the weather and crop outlook is published in the various regional newspapers which are popular among the farmers. Conclusion. With the advancement of technology, weather forecasting has developed to its level best, but there is yet to develop as far as the nature is so unpredictable. Natural calamity and weather disturbance causing devastating destruction surprisingly. To save our Mother Earth, scientists and meteorologists are also advancing their knowledge about weather forecasting. Thank you for your attention.